Hi everyone, welcome to our channel J-Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Paristiti review. Shiva Karthikeyan and Ravi Mohan stand strong in this legit and fulfilling historical drama. Are you planning to watch Shiva Karthikeyan, Ravi Mohan's Paristiti in theaters this week? Here is the film trailer review for you to check out by Gautam S. updated on 10 January 2026. Name Persketi, director Sudha Kongara, cast Sivya Tikren, Ravi Mohan, Atharva Morley, Sari Leela, Kyolapuli Leela, Prakash Bedavari, Dev, Ramant, Pritev Prajan, Chetan Basil, Joseph Rana, Dugabati. Writer Sudhi Kongara, Arjun Nadesan, Ganesha Machimaran, figures in the rating 2.5 out of 5. Perskiti sharing Siva Karthikeyan and Ravi Mohan in the lead roles hit theaters on January 10, 2026, coinciding with Pongal this year, directed by Sudha Kongara. The movie also features Atharva Murali and Sri Leela as colleagues. If you are planning to watch the film in theaters this week, here's the film trailer review for you to check out. The plot, Parsketi, set in 1960s Tamil Nadu, follows the story of Chizian, aka Chi, a young and peace-loving man. He works in the railways and is the sole breadwinner for his family and takes care of his younger brother China Durai, a college student and activist. With civil conflict taking center stage, China actively fights against systemic oppression, even though his brother disagrees. However, things take a drastic turn when a vicarious police officer named Thirandan enters the equation, serving the government and using police brutality to curb the protests. Amidst all this a life-changing event leads Chi to undergo a significant shift in his psyche, prompting him to stand with the protests his brother is part of. How Chi's life changing over time, his bond with his sibling, and the challenge he faces from the core of the film, The Good. Katie begins with a strong premise, the conflict, intent, and the thought behind the film deserve true appreciation. The expression of identity and freedom serves as the driving force of this nuanced tale, which effectively connects with the viewer. The first half of the movie successfully establishes its world, transporting the audience to a period-specific realistic setting where social dynamics differ vastly from the present day. The exploration of personal identity is layered within each character, highlighting the potential they have in carrying the narrative forward, while Siva Karthikeyan does a commendable job as the protagonist. It is Ravi Mohan who completely steals the show with his performance, shedding his stereotypical mannerisms. The actor fully embodies the ruthless nature of a vicarious antagonist, showcasing how well-rounded a performer he truly is. With Sudhe Kongara crafting well-written and layered characters, the movie breathes new life into its story, making it a tale that leaves a lasting impact, especially in the first half. G.V. Prakash Kumar once again delivers soulful musical tracks and a background score that stay true to the genre of the film. Additionally, Ravi K. Chandran captures beautiful frames enhanced by striking lighting and thoughtful compositions. The band. While Persketi holds strong in the first half, it loses its way in the second half. It gradually loses momentum with each act, straying from the core plot it entirely sets out to explore. Although the B-romance and bond between Chi and China Turai carry much of the film's emotional weight, other moments, particularly the romantic subplots, tend to hinder the overall experience. At a certain point, the film transitions into generic writing paired with uneven execution, making it one of the weaker entries in Sude Kongara's filmography. Despite her overall reputation as a capable filmmaker. From a technical standpoint, the editing could have been much tighter, with several portions requiring trimming. Ironically, the additional cuts the film underwent before release seem to have affected the viewing experience, often coming across as jarring and disjointed. The performances Perskiti sees Siva Karthikeyan portray a nuanced and occasionally flawed character, lending realism to his performance. However, it is Ravi Mohan who truly mesmerizes with his flaky villainy, once again reminding viewers of his exceptional acting process. Atharva Murali and Sri Leela also deliver strong performances with the material given to them, with Sri Leela notable redefining her image in Tamil cinema compared to her previous roles in Telugu films. Watch the trailer for Praskiti. The verdict. Praskiti is a striking film that connects with the audience on a meaningful level. With impressive performances and a compelling first half, the movie proves enriching to watch, even though it loses steam later on. Fans of periods dramas can consider watching it in theaters or wait for its OTT release. Disclaimer: the views and opinion expressed in this article are those of the author and do not reflect the official policy or position of Bank Vellano. Statement in this article is intended to defame, harm, or malign any individual or entity. Also read Persketi Twitter review 7 tweets to read before watching Siva Karthikeyan and Sri Leela's political action drama. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.